So I have here an electric spin scrubber. I received this in exchange for a review, but all of these thoughts are my own. As you can see, there are quite a few attachments in the box. You have these kind of Brillo pads, I think that's what they're called. These really soft foam pads, which attach via this plastic piece. These stiff bristle pads, this really big poofy one, and this narrow cone one that's good for like grout in corners. Then you have the USB charger. It does not come with a power brick. Then you have the device itself. Comes in two pieces like this. We're going to attach these somehow. Looks like you're going to slide this piece in there. Just like that, and it clicks into position. And it can slide out if you push that button. And it extends like that if you push this button. Extends pretty far, so you got some good range on it. It's going to charge up via this thing under this flap, just charges via USB-C. But of course, if you close this flap, it is completely waterproof, so you can definitely use it in a variety of situations, whether a damp environment or of course dry, however you want to use it. It's got a little loop right here so you can hang it up when you're not using it. I'm going to attach this bristle scrubber. Looks like it just slides on there. It doesn't really lock in place. You can pull it off with a little bit of force, but it's definitely on there and it doesn't come off very easily, so I think that's fine. You turn it on with that power button there. There's a low speed and a high speed. And then off again. I have a pretty dirty shower floor here, but I'm just gonna focus on that one spot and see if I can get it clean. All right, there's the spot a little bit closer. I'm also gonna spray this stuff on it. And here we go. Blinking red on me. I'm thinking that's probably because I didn't charge it up first. So I'm going to charge this up and then try this again. So this is what it looks like when it's charging. That light is just glowing red. All right, here we go for round two. I'm going to switch to the Brillo pad head and see if that works any better too. So that was a pretty stubborn stain, but it looks like it got it pretty good. Like I said, I still have a lot of stains on the shower floor, but I think this will take care of it. It's definitely not effortless. You definitely need to put some elbow grease into it, but it definitely works, and it's way easier than getting down on your hands and knees, so I recommend it. If you'd like to purchase it, there's a link in the description. We get a small commission and it would really help us out. I'm Chris, and with my wife Abby's help, I'm on a quest to review literally everything sold on Amazon. So if there's something that you need a review of, literally just tell me. Let me know in a comment, and I'll literally buy it and just review it for you. Literally.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense.